Okay, fifth graders, first thing tonight is you're going to need an extra sheet of paper because this is going to take a little bit of room. So I've rewritten the problems onto another sheet of paper for myself because I know I need a lot of work. Remember, when we're working on these, we first start with the first digit. And remember, this is our dividend. This big spot right here is our dividend, and this is our divisor. So we're going to start with the first number, which is a 7, and we ask ourselves, how many times does 3 go into 7? 2, and then we write down 3 times 2 is 6. We subtract, we get 1. Bring down the next digit, and we've got 5. 3 goes into 15. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Subtract, you get 0, but you still have another digit to bring down. So this time we've got a 4 here. How many 3's will go into that 4? We've got 1. Subtract, you've got 1 left. Bring down your last digit, and you've got 12. 3 will go into 12 4 times, and you can subtract, but we know it's already going to be 0, so sometimes kids will skip that step. Next one, 9 into 2, it won't, but 9 will go into 27 3 times. Subtract and you get 0. Bring down your next digit. It won't work. 7 is too small, so we need to put a 0 here and carry down our next one. And I see a 72. 8 times 9 is 72, so we're all done. Subtract and you get 0. Moving on. How many 7's will go into 2? It won't. It's too small. We can write a 0, or we can just move over. 7 goes into 22 3 times, and then we've got 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract and you get a 1. Bring down your next digit. 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract and you get a 0. If I'm going too fast, pause, and then bring down your next digit, a 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Subtract and you get a 0. Next one, just for looking at that first digit, 6 goes into 6 1 time. Subtract, you get a 0. Bring down your next digit. 3 is too small. Write a 0 and bring down your next digit. An 8. Let's see, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. I think that's as close as we're going to get. Subtract, and you get 2. Bring down your last digit, and you've got 24. 6 times 4 is 24. We're all done. Moving on over. Hopefully I'm still on the camera here. 3 goes into 6 exactly 2 times. Subtract, get a 0. Bring down your next digit. It's a 6. Another 2. Subtract and another 0. Bring down your next digit. A 1. It won't work. It's too small. So move over. Bring down your next one. 3 goes into 15 3 times, and then we're all done. I can write 15 minus 0 equals 15, or I can just know that. Next, we've got 5 and 8. It's too small. I can write a 0, or I can just move over. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract, and I get 2. Bring down your next digit. 24. 8 times 3 is 24 exactly. Subtract. Bring down your next digit, and you've got an 8, and it will go in exactly 1 time. Subtract and you get 0. This one, it's too small, so we need to move over. 8 times 9 is 72. Bring down your next digit. Probably another 9 here. And a 5. Bring down your last digit. The 6. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract and we're done. No remainders today, which is good because we've got to put this in a crossword puzzle. 7 into 4 into 7 1 time, and you get a 3 for a remainder. Bring down your next digit. 7 times 4 is 28. Can we go bigger? 8 times 4 is 32. Oh, I forgot to bring down my digit here. Let's go with 8. 32. Subtract and you get 1. Bring down your next digit. An 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract and you get 2. Bring down your last digit and you've got 20. 4 times 5 is 20 exactly. No remainder. Alright, next side. And we're going to keep covering it up because it works easier for a lot of kids just to concentrate here. 5 goes into 9 one time. Subtract and you get 4. Bring down your next digit. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract and you get 3. Bring down your 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. Probably our closest. Subtract and you get 1. Bring down your 0. You've got 10. 5 times 2 is 10, and then we're all done. Moving over. 2 won't go into 1. It's too small, so we'll move to the next digit. 2 times 3 is 15. Oops, what am I thinking? 2 times 3 is 6. That's not what I want at all. Let's do 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. That's what I was thinking, but let's do 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Distracted for a second. Bring down our next digit. We've got a 3. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract and you get 1. Bring down your 2. And 2 times 6 is 12 again. So we've got 966. Sorry for the messy handwriting there. And 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, get 0. Bring down your next digit. A 2. It's too small, so it must be a 0. Bring down your next one. And I'm going to have, oh, nope, I've got another one. I was afraid I was going to have a remainder there. 3 times 9 is 27. Get our 2 and bring down our last digit. 21. 3 times 7 is 21. And then we're done. Moving on. 2 will go into 7 about 4 times. Nope, that's too big. 3. About 3 times. That'll be a 6. Subtract and you get a 1. Bring down your next one. And you've got 11. 2 will go into 11 5 times. Subtract, bring down a 1. Bring down your next digit. And you've got 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract 0, and our last digit to bring down is a 2. 2 times 1 is 2, so we're all done with that one. Next, it's too small, so you can either write a 0 on there or just move over. 8 times 5 is 40, so it's probably our best bet. Subtract and you get 2. Bring down your 9. 5 times 5 is 25. That's probably our next best bet. Get a remainder of 4 and bring down your 5. And we've got 45. And 5 times 9 is 45. Moving over. 8 will not go into 6. It's too small, but it will go into 65. Not exactly, though. And 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract and you get 1. Bring down your 4. I forgot to bring it down. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. That'll be too big. 6, and bring down our last digit, which is a 4. And 8 times 8 is 64. So we're done with that one. 9 won't go into 2, but 2 9s are 18. Remainder of 3, bring down the 6. 9 times 4 is 36. A 240 for this one. And 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down your next digit. That was easy. Bring down your next digit. It doesn't work. Another 0. Bring down your last digit. And you've got 16. And 2 times 8 is 16. All right, so flip it over. We'll start putting some of these numbers into our crossword here. So 1 across was 2514. 9 across was 308. 3 across was 321. 11 across was 1064. 5 across was 2205. 13 across 631. 7 across 997, and 14 across 108. Oh, what did I do? 10845. Let me double check that one. Alright, so here I wrote it and I just copied it wrong. Easy thing to do, so don't make that same mistake. It's 1845. Sorry about that. 1845. Good thing you're doing this in pencil so you can erase better. 2 down. If we did it correctly, it should line up. And it does. 8 down. 966, that works. 3 down. 3097, that one works. 9 down. 3571, and it works. And this one, 4 down. 859, and 10 down. 818. So far so good. 6 down. Where are we? Oh, 240. And our last one, 4008. All right, thanks for working with me today.